This point is tested second time. This is the third time. So every support and resistance 3 times working. If the fourth time it's working or not, we cannot blame the strategy. We cannot say it's not working. No, the concept is saying that only 3 times support and resistance working, and the fourth time there are 50-50 probability if it work or not work. Okay, I'm getting messages.
This is the point B is it's not work, right? Already, it's failed.
No, I'm not looking that there are 2 candles or not. Okay. I'm just looking that this level is tested or not.
Yeah.
This level is tested or not. 1 time, second time, third time. The 3 time level is tested.
1 candle or 2 candles.
It's not a problem that in this support and resistance not suggesting us that the 2 candles must be there. Okay. Anyhow, the support and resistance concept is there that the level is retesting or not retesting. Even the candle is a red or the candle is a green. Here we are talking about it's retesting the level or not retesting the level. So retesting the level and there is no setup, it means this setup for our strategy is wrong. For to trade here. Okay, so we only can take the setup where the 1 time and second time only tested. We are waiting for the third time. That will be the third time, not will be the fourth time. I'm giving you examples so many here. So this is a first time. This is a second time. Okay, so we are going to join the 2 points. This is a lower low point. So we are start from the lower low and we can start pick the line here. Okay, so now it's the third time it's broken, and now we cannot use if the market is touching the fourth time or not. So this setup is not valid here now. Okay. I just want to show you the clear setups and how we can trade. And how to avoid the setups. So when you see that this setup, point A and point B is here, and point C is broken. Okay, and if the candle, this candle, is not touching the trend line, if touching the trend line, we cannot place a trade. If not touching the trend line, then we can place a trade. It will come to this level. Look at it's rejecting from trend line. Maybe the next candlestick can goes up. There is a downtrend. That's why it's going down. Maybe there are more chances that market can move up. So there are so many chances. If this candle is a big one candle and closing on the resistance and showing the rejection from the buyers, the next candlestick can goes up. So that will be the reason for the loss trade that time, because it's broken. The setup is not valid. If you are taking the trade, then you will aware about this resistance line. This is not touching. So the buyers, sellers will try to reach this level, then can be rejected from here. I'm going to the pictures where the members they share with in the group. That will be clear. Okay. So now you can look at, he is trading here, the trade is winning trade, but the setup is valid or not valid? Can anyone tell me the setup is valid or not valid?
It's not valid.
It's not valid.
Sir, it's valid.
It's valid?
It's not valid.
Okay. So someone is saying that it's not valid. Why? The level is broken. The level is broken.
Yes.
It's a third time. It's a fourth time. It's a fourth time. So we can say A, B, C. It's a D point. It's a D point.
Sir, if we connect it from the top, then it's the A, B, and C.
We need A and B point. Okay. if you
Yes.
connecting from here, if you are connecting from
above.
here,
A and B.
this is like this one, okay? And if you are connecting here, this one like this one, okay? So now it will be here. That line will be perfect setup, okay? So this one is not a perfect.
That's not valid.
Okay, so this type of from here you can start. This is a rejection. Why you are not counting this rejection? Why you are starting from here? This is the first point. Why? Because you just to start from here. Okay, the first point. The second point can be adjustable. You can enter everywhere where the two lines intersect. Here you can draw. Here you can draw. Where are you looking the rejection? But this point is very important. This point is very important. So if the market reach here, you are respecting this support and resistance line. If market reach here, do you forget that that is a level or not? So do you forget this level? Also, you can take this resistance level because this is a resistance. Market reject from here. So trend line we can start from here. Okay. He is trading on this signal. So it's not related to this signal. I think there is another signal. So can anyone tell me this point is the valid point? The draw of the support and resistance is valid or not valid?
No, because the longer wick is the north. So
Yes. The setup is here.
Not valid.
The setup is
It's in the wrong direction.
here. So that is the point. That is a trade. Okay? The trade is here. So when you place from here and crossing this one, and this is your trade. Okay? So if this trade not work, it means it's not related to the strategy. Why it works? What's the reason? Because when the candle makes a higher high and come down and not broke this level, that's why the trend goes up, make an engulfing candle, that's why it's going up. Because these all the patterns have no retracement, that's why there is no retracement in this pattern. The sequence is saying that there are these three patterns have no retracement, that's why it's going up. But the drawing of the level, this is the correct way to draw the level. Okay, so you can now draw here. This point and this point you can draw. So when the next time price move to this level, then it will be respected. But at this point, it's not valid. Look at the price is broken the level. When broken the level, a retracement will appear. So again, a breakout happen. There are so much possibilities of the retracement. When once the breakout happen, we wait for the retracement. I teach you that point. And when again the point breakout happen, again you wait for the retracement. Even you are getting the continuation candle. So now after this candle, you have to place the trade on this candle. Okay, it's not a ABC. Okay. But the trend line is there. I think there is a, I don't know who traded this point. Okay. So when I open the picture, you can recognize this is picture from your side or another side. That I can ask you why you draw a trend line here. So who is there in this picture? A point is higher low in an uptrend. It's me, sir. Okay. Okay, so the trade is perfect trade. Okay, it's an impulse trade, we can say. But the level to draw the support trend line, we can start from here because now the both wicks are same. Okay, so we can start from here to here. So now the trend line, there is a little bit difference. Okay, but that's correct. Okay. Here. The point A, point B, point C. Is it correct?
Correct.
Okay. Is it? This is correct, but it's a not a strong setup. Okay, it's not a strong setup. Why it's not a strong setup?
It's very
Because far from the level. So this is the one point, this is another point, this is another point. So that's why it's a far from the level. So now you can understand here, if that is a exhaustion candle and there may be a retracement, maybe the candle can goes up, but that is a reversal pattern. So that's why market is moving down. Okay, that is a reversal pattern. That's why market is moving down. So what you have to look at the setup. The first is a pattern, the second is a pattern, the third is a pattern or not. So if third is a pattern, there are more chances that market moves down. If the first have a pattern, continuation sign, market moves down. Continuation sign, market moves down. So there is an inside bar, we can say, of this candle, but the candle with exhaustion, already that this candle is a reversal point and volume is not increasing on the bias wick, volume only increasing if the upper wick is higher or lower wick is very weak and volume increasing, then we can continue. But now the volume is not increasing. It means there is no bias pressure in this candle. So that's why the sellers is going down. So this setup is a correct, but this setup is not a strong setup because of these lines. Okay. Yeah. Someone correct him. Okay. So that's why this setup is not working because of this point. Okay, someone messaged me. Okay. This point you always start from the higher high point, and now the B point can be flexible. Okay. So this is a breakout. After breakout, it closes on the support level and then market moves up. And another point, before there is a pattern, This is a morning star and morning star have a retracement. After retracement, if the retracement is confirmed, the next candlestick can goes up. So you just open eyes on the price action patterns also. Because we cannot ignore the market concepts, market rules. We go with the market rules, then we will get success. Okay.
So regarding to this, you were saying that point B can be adjustable. So if we adjust the point B, so that means that point C, the candles can come inside the trend line.
Point B is adjustable, but we cannot ignore the closing and opening price. Okay. It means touching the both level candles are very important. How that is adjustable, look at here. So that is a point candle, okay? That is the level, okay? So here there is a red candle. The wick is higher, okay? So you can draw the level like this one to match these two points, or you can draw the level like those two candles. We cannot leave this candle and we cannot apart this candle for the trend line. We just to join these both candles. Both candles are very important.
Both should touch the line.
Yeah, if you can draw like this one because this wick is covered, this candle is covered, or you can draw this one here. This wick is covered, this candle is covered. And if there is no wick, yes, if there is no wick like this one, the small wick, if you see, the two candle have a small wick, so you only can draw a trend line between the closing price and opening price like this one. But you cannot take a level here. This will be not counted. This can be counted because it's crossing this level, okay? This is not valid here.
Both candles must touch the line, yes. No matter it's
so
wicks or
the best way of drawing the support and resistance in the forex market, there is a concept, this one I'm going to show you here. That is the level, okay? In the forex market, I'm using this concept. only one line I need to draw. So which line I need to draw? In this setup, if I want to draw the support level, horizontal support level, so which level I want to take, I will take for this one. Not I'm taking talking about the binary option. So here just to understand, this level I will take. Where this week counted, this week also counted. So I cannot draw
both
from here. I will draw from here where 2 weeks are counted. Okay, so this will be more effective than this one. This one is not effective more, but this one is more effective where the two levels, yes, two levels are very important. And when we are taking the color change support and resistance, we are taking the opening price. Okay, but here when the 2 weeks we are looking, so we can, if we want to draw the one level only, so we just to draw the level from here to here, that two line must be intersect each other. Okay. Okay, so here I already talking. So this setup, when you are on the top of the trend, when the trend is going to finish, so this trend is looking there, it's a last impulsive wave which not creates a higher high. So you can understand from this movement of the market that they are unable to broke the last higher high. When they are unable to broke the last higher high, so in this case, they are rejecting from this level, how they can create a higher high. So they will not create, and if you are looking here, so this level can be drawn from here to here. And this level is breakout. Once a breakout happen, wait for the retracement. Again a breakout happen, wait for the retracement. Again a breakout happen, wait for the retracement. Now there is no touching any level, and the next candlestick going up. So we need to understand that if the trend line breakout is happen, and again trend line breakout is happen with the green candle like this type of setup. Here I'm going to show you, you will be very clear. That is a setup. That is another candle. Okay. So here we draw the trend line from this point to this point. Okay. So on this C point, when the candle is broken, the level, and it's looking that yes, really it's broken the level. So when the market moves again in up direction from here, so you look at the once its breakout happen, again a breakout happen. So more chances are there that market can reverse. If it's reversing and getting support from the support level, it's getting support from here, and again it's going back, then you can place a trade. Otherwise, there are more chances it make a retracement because the breakout is happening. So we cannot take the breakout as a continuation of this trend line strategy. So this type of trades sometimes losing 50% probability. Maybe there is a retracement, maybe there is not retracement, maybe again you see the red candle. So this is confusing point. And you just to, there are so many setups. You will see the valid setups each and every time because market making a sequence. You will get so many setups. But when the setups is broken, the sequence is broken, then you avoid must. And if the point is like this one, you see in the market. Like this one point, it's breaking the level, and the next green candle is coming up and rejecting from here and closing here. So what you will think? The next candlestick can goes up?
Down.
Because it's 100% suggesting us that the breakout happened, the retracement on the resistance level, the next candlestick will goes down. Then how we can trade here as a continuation setup? It's not possible, it can go up. Okay, so this type of, and maybe in the few seconds it goes up, again it's touching the level, then goes down. There are so many setups like this one. So trend line must not be broken.
Or if it's broken, so we should wait for retracement.
Yes, you should wait for the retracement. When there is so much gap from the trend line to here, like a half-hour gap, 1 hour gap, so we cannot expect that market can move down. But there is a way to understand the market. The market make a structure. The structure is that it's making a lower high, lower high, lower high. And when it's make a lower high, then the lower low is important, like this one. It's make a lower low, lower high, lower low is important, then again make a lower high, then there are chances then candle can goes down. If this formation is not, you are looking, like it's moving up and moving here, and then moving up and going down. So what you will think? This type of formation, but here it's a matching, here it's matching, here it's not matching because the lower high, lower low, and again the market not make a lower low, it's make a higher low. So it's suggesting means that the trend is going to change. Went from the lower low to higher low, you see in the market. So now this formation is happening in the market. So when the market moves here, so this will be working, not this will be working. So you just to understand the situation of the market. So here maybe you will see like this one, only one candle, but here you will see the two candles from here. Then market moves out because this sequence is also created, and this sequence if not works, so we cannot blame on this sequence because it's when from the lower low to higher low, it's what suggesting the trend changed. But when this is this type of condition, if you are looking, then chances are more that the next candlestick can goes down. And also avoid from the round numbers. If there is a horizontal support and resistance, you avoid because market is respecting these numbers. So it's not necessary that no support and resistance will stop our strategy. No, support and resistance can stop. The breakout levels can stop our strategy. I did not say it's 100%. Now ask me if there is still any confusion.
So it means that if the point A and B are not consecutive, so that means the impulse wave already broken.
Yes. So there are, you are looking two types of trades. Here I'm going to show you. Two types of trades you are looking in the market. The one setup is in the steep. In a steep direction, and one setup in this direction. So this direction and this direction is change. So this is what suggesting you a strong momentum. This is not suggesting a strong momentum. So this is very powerful setup. When the consecutive setup you are looking, there are no interruption of the red, green, red, green, red, green candles. In this, you will see there are so many up and downs here, 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 and the market moves down. Again, you will see in this up and downs here, 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 here. That is a point now. So this is a broken trend, we can say, and this is a steep trend. So this is more powerful than this one. So how to trade this one? This type of, when you see this type of trend, you can trade more than 1 minute, because when the point A is going 5 to 7 minutes, point B going 5 to 8 minutes, point C will go 5 to 6 minutes. It will not go for 2 to 3 minutes. It will go. So you need to place a 2-minute, 3-minute trade on the channel. So this is a channel trading. And also when I'm giving you trend line strategy, it's also a channel trading. Go with the trend. So if you see there is so much gap, that is a big gap, you can trade for the 3 to 4 minutes. 2 minutes is good, 3 minutes is good, 5 minutes is good. So to understand very well this strategy, there is a PDF, this one. You just to study this one. This is very beneficial for this trading. So how to structure of the market is changing, the trend, and here I clear each and everything, and there are 5 ways in the downtrend, from uptrend to downtrend, from downtrend to uptrend. Then you will understand how the higher high, higher low, lower high, and lower low is making the trend, and how we can avoid the mistakes from when the trend is developing. Okay, Adil, something you want to add it?
No, sir, thank you. You've covered almost everything.
Is it clear? I think there are 10 minutes. I want to, if anyone can ask me question, that I can answer him.
Sir, it is working anytime or overlapping time also?
No, brother, the strategy is working anytime. You must avoid from where? From the news time, okay? From the news time, you can avoid the strategy. All the tradings you can avoid from the news time. And when you see the market is closing or the new market is opening, volatility is increasing in the market because of the opening of new market. So that time, maybe you see this type of crazy candles in the market, and round number, round time, when the 7:30 is there, if there's a news or not news, you will see the exhaustion candles. If the 7:30, like a 7:45, like a 8 p.m., like a 8:15, 8:30, 8:45, 9 p.m. So these are the round times. On these times, always you will see that the exhaustion candle are sometimes like something like these type of candles you will see in the market. And yes, also avoid from the exhaustion candle. And there is a rule is there before I text the rule, that rule is that the first point A1, must have price action pattern. The B point must have price action pattern. The C point must have price action pattern. So this is the continuation strategy of the price action pattern, where we are trading the retracement candle. Because in this price action pattern, no retracement, in this price action pattern, no retracement, in this price action pattern will not be retracement. So we are trading the retracement candle. If the candle is retracement, if you see that the trade is going to lose and close in the loss trade, and that is the retracement of the pattern, and retracement is complete, is confirmed, that you can place again a trade to recover the loss, because this is based on the price action pattern. And if you want to very low risk, very low risk, then every time the same pattern must be. If engulfing,
This pattern must be same, sir, or it can be different.
If you are looking for the very low risk, then engulfing, engulfing, engulfing. Pearson line pattern, Pearson line pattern, and Pearson line pattern. Inside bar, outside bar, so 3 pattern must be same. Morning star, then morning star. But the engulfing can be counted with the Pearson line pattern. Pearson line pattern can be counted with the inside bar. So sometime if the point A is engulfing, point B is Pearson line pattern, and point C is inverted hammer, don't place a trade. Inverted hammer, spinning top, these candles are the reversal candles. There are no powerful candles. These not are the powerful candles. So maybe your trade will be reverse. Maybe your trade will be reverse. So avoid from the inverted hammer, avoid from the spinning top.
if they come on point A and B, so we can continue with that.
What I mean, sir?
If the inverted hammer or spinning top come on point A, B, and then C,
Yes.
so we can go with that.
Yes. If the point A you find in the inverted hammer spinning top, which is covered, B is covered, now you can follow the C point, it can be covered. But if the point, these two patterns are different, then this is a single candlestick pattern. These are the multiple bar candlestick patterns. So single pattern and multiple bar pattern have a difference. So we cannot adjust these multiple bar with the single candlestick patterns. So single candlestick pattern, you know that if the inverted hammer is there, so there is more pressure from the seller side. And inverted hammer is also a candle for the retracement can be used. So if there is an engulfing from the seller side, so this candle can be a retracement. And you can avoid, that is a very, very easy way to understand. How to avoid? You just to understand that before when the candle reach to the level, if reaching to the level, so there is any pattern or not? Here I just to draw the patterns, okay? So that is the pattern. Oh, what's wrong? Okay, there is a pattern. There is a pattern. So this candle, when retest the support level, but there is the engulfing candle. So engulfing candle have a more chances to make a retracement. So now anyone can tell me it will continue or it will reverse?
It will reverse.
So any type of pattern, if creating here on the C point and the green candle is coming on this place of the retracement candle, so then avoid. So I think that there are more losing trade on this type of setup.
Yeah, on pattern.
So this one not be like this one. This one, if you see that this red candle is like this one, it's coming from like this one, and there are no reversal pattern here before. Maybe this will continue if the volume is not greater than the previous bar. If inverted hammer appear, volume not greater than the previous bar, then you can continue, it will goes up. If there is a spinning top candle on this area, the upper wick is larger than the lower wick and volume is increasing, then the next candlestick goes down, it will not goes up. If the spinning top you are looking, the upper wick is smaller than the lower wick is larger, and it's similar to the spinning top candle, and the volume is increasing, then the next candlestick can continue. So just understand the candlestick psychology inside it. So I think today so much points I cleared, and again I will see in the your trading pictures. So again I will clear it. Once we complete this strategy very clearly, everyone can earn money from this strategy. Then we can move to the another. But when everyone is not understanding this strategy, then we cannot move to the next topic any. So this is the very, very simple strategy, and make it simple, not make it complicated. It's very, very simple. If the 1 minute time frame trading is not perfect for you, if the not result is coming, go to the 2 minute time frame, go to the 5 minute time frame. But show your patience in the strategy. I'm looking that when you are taking the trades, there are 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute break in the trading. How you can understand in a 2 minute to 3 minute and searching each and every pattern? It means you are opening more than 10 or more than 5 to 8 patterns, 8 currency pairs on the one time, and you are looking all the currency pairs. How you can judge all the currency pairs? Still there is no level. Still I don't have a level that I can judge 8 to 10 currency pair at the same level, same time. So only I can judge 3 to 4 currency pairs. So you don't open the 3 to 4 currency pairs, only 3 to 4, not more than 3 to 4. And wait for the strategy movement. Don't search, wait for the strategy movement in any currency pair. So I think meeting is now going to over. There is a 1 minute remaining here. So if there is any confusion, again, you can write the question. And there are so many good students, they understand this strategy very fully, so they can help you. I'm also watching and reviewing each and every picture, and I will clear again. Okay, brothers?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay, we will meet
Thank you,
again,
sir.
inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.